Hey guys, Beaverboys88 here. So I'll be showing you how to make a rubber band shooter. So, like this one. Yeah, I painted this gold and black. And it looks pretty cool. So what you'll need is tape, clothespins, hot glue gun, rubber bands, a razor, optional, and and spray paint, optional. I got black spray paint here. Sorry about that. So yeah, it's pretty awesome. It's pretty easy. So yeah. Oh, and also 3 pencils. So this is pretty much using like office equipment, like household items, except for the spray paint, and maybe the razor for someone who lives in apartments and stuff. So first off, I'm gonna go get a paper towel here. Make sure I don't get any hot glue on the table. So, yeah. First off, get 2 pencils and make sure they're the same length. So these are the same length. If they're not, take the razor and start shaving them off until they are. Or just keep sharpening until they are. But I just use a razor because it's a lot faster. So yeah, first off, I'm going to have to plug this hot glue gun in. So I'm going to move the camera. It's right here. Move the paper towels over here. So, first, plug the hot glue gun in. So, adult supervision required. My mom's right over there. So, I have adult supervision. Now, warm it up for a little bit. And what you're going to do first, I'll tell you right now, is hot glue these 2 together. So it's like this. Just 2 pencils hot glued together. So yeah. Yep, gotta wait until it warms up. So yeah. Hot glue them together. Oh, and make sure there's a little slit right there so you can put the rubber band in. Because if it's just flat like these, it won't. The rubber band gun probably won't work. So sharpen your pencils before you do this, or at least one, so you can get the rubber band back in there. So it'll have a little spot to lay in. All right, I hope this is ready. All right, and it isn't. Sorry about this. So yeah, I'll show you how this thing shoots real quick. So, first off, open this up. This is a pre-made one. Put the rubber band in the clip. Do that. Alright. It's the first time. Do that, close. And you got a little rubber band gun. And it shoots pretty hard. So yeah. It's pretty nice. And I made it myself, so I didn't get this off anyone else. It might be on YouTube already, but I made it up myself for this one. So yeah, I got a miniature razor at Lowe's. It's pretty cool. So, alright, yeah, now it's working. So, first, glue this down. And then line them up. So see, they're lined up. Wait for it to dry off. Do not touch the hot glue when it's hot. I think you'll know that already. And then squeeze it. Let it dry off. This one dries off really quick, like all hot glue guns. I really like hot glue guns. Yeah, cool. So yeah, once you got that done, take your other pencil. You probably can't see this because it's a black pencil. This is a Got Milk pencil. And snap it right in half. I have an equal right there. It's nice and equal. Now hot glue these together, like we did the other ones. Make sure the broken parts are facing down like this, because if you're facing up like that, they won't stick. It won't stick good to the thing. Squeeze these together just like the other one. And if they're not equal, again, get the razor out and make them equal. But I don't know why, but most of the time when you break a pencil, or at least when I break a pencil, it's even. So yeah. So this is dry now. So you pull this off a little, just make sure it's secure. And now, find the erasers. Yeah, line the erasers up. Find these and hot glue them, and then hot glue this to that. So yeah, let's do that right now. Ooh, alright. Some hot glue in there. See, adult supervision. So, put it right here. Get this, stick that right on there.
They are a glowing example of what it means to be the best. And at this special time of year, they shine even brighter. Come to the winter event and get the Mercedes-Benz you always wished for. Now, for an exceptional price. Lease the 2014 E350 for $579 a month at your local Mercedes-Benz dealer.
I'm going to have to put another stick in there. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's go get one. If you don't know how to do this, for some reason, if you wouldn't know. So yeah, and I'm be making another video. I already made another video today of making a pen gun. I'm probably going to make another one of how to make this good prank. I know. So yeah. There's your basic one, but this thing wiggles around a lot and you have to hold it, so get some tape. Tape fixes everything, and wrap it around. Dang, see? Just ripped off. That's where the tape comes in. Make sure it's really, really secure. Sorry, this thing popped up on here. So make sure it's really secure. So yeah, got your basic outline of the gun now. Now, see I got that little notch right there? Now, get one of your clothespins. One clothespin. Now you're going to glue it to here. Going to have this a little bit sticking out, this part, but that's good. Yeah, just have it like that. Now, put some hot glue in the back. that on there. Now you can unplug the hot glue gun. Won't be needing that anymore. So yeah, now make sure it's secure. And you got your basic hot glue gun. Now, if you want to, you can spray paint it a little bit, but I'm not going to. So yeah, that's how you make it. I already showed you how to load it. I'll load it again. Put that in there. Close it. Do this. Put in that. Whoa, I hit my dog. Sorry, Duke. Thanks for watching, guys. Paperboys 888. See ya.